everyone, this is Dr. Pawan Kulkarni, Assistant Professor, MBA Department, NITM Meenakshi Institute of Technology. We are offering you the crash course on SAAD, Assistant Controller, State Audit and Account Department. I would like to congratulate people who have cleared the main prelims exam and looking after their mains preparation. Hope you have already started with the mains preparation, and here is the opportunity to join with our team expert and prepare well and get selected for the most awaited job in particular state government. So we are going to offer you the crash course for almost 90 to 100 hours. This mains course is having 1800 marks, totally 6 subjects, 6 papers. In that we are focusing more on numerical part of the paper 5, 6, 7 and 8, which is going to be covered in next 90 to 100 hours. All the numericals will be solved in the class with the manual explanation and detailed solving, and with the study material will be provided as per the required format. Required material will be given. So here is the content which is prepared for this. I've already handled the same course from last 4 years. 3 to 4 batches have completed, and this is the model which we are working for you people. The previous year question paper questions were also included in this topic, where we are covering the model subjects in detail. Since I am a MBA professor, handled all the subjects from last 15-16 years many number of times, so able to cover all these portions with the standard textbooks, reference materials provided by the standard referred by the standard textbook. So that will be the key in this particular portion course. And out of 1800, maybe general studies is one paper, and I think language is one paper. So remaining 1200, where you have 4 subjects. It is a vast syllabus of MBA actually, as it is they have taken, and out of that I can assure you at least 500 to 600 marks you are able to score with this course. And definitely it matters a lot. Last year cutoff was somewhere close to 900 to 950 or 1000 topper selected batch, and now having this scoring some good numbers, 500, 600, with the limited number of hours of 90 hours to 100 hours. It always matters a lot. Each and every marks in this particular competition and this type of pattern, it is definitely need some sort of assistance. People need, subjects are like this, all the MBA subjects, someone has to teach, someone has to give you some inputs, so that you are able to clear and crack this exam in a better way. Okay, so keeping this in mind, these are the contents which we are going to discuss. I've already noted down the marks asked in the previous years and the topics. So look at that, all that red marks are the marks which was asked in the question paper, previous year question papers, with detailed analysis, explanation, study materials. Everything will be covered in this course. More than this also, we will try to cover as much as possible as the course progress. We definitely give you the best from our side. Institute is very much focusing on the students' interest. So if interested, please join the team on Sunday, this Sunday, 3rd November, 5 p.m. The first class will be free, and henceforth we continue the classes regularly. And for further details, please reach out Topper IAS Institute. Thank you.